Hi, welcome to the first video on my channel, a channel that's dedicated for beginners in digital marketing. Today's topic is what is digital marketing and why digital marketing is gaining importance. So before I start talking about digital marketing, let me give a brief introduction about what traditional marketing is. Traditional marketing is advertising about the products or services through television, radio, newspapers, brochures, catalog, telephone calls, or any other form of print media. Before the internet era, this is how business and companies advertised about their products and services to the consumers. Now that we got an idea of what traditional marketing is, let's move on to know what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is the use of digital channels to promote or market products and services to the target consumers and businesses. To explain this, there are three factors that led to the increase in the efforts towards digital marketing. The first one is the number of people using internet began to increase in the early 2000s. The second one, the technological advancement resulted in more devices like smartphones, laptops, iPads in the market. The third one is, at the same time, the social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. started to roll in. These three factors changed the way how people behaved as consumers. Consumers started to rely more on internet to know about products and services, read reviews about them, compare with the competitive products, and then take their decision to buy a product or service. Because of this shift, the businesses were forced to have an online presence so that they can reach their target audience and inform them about their product and services. Now let's move on to know the three main reasons why digital marketing is gaining importance. The first one is reach more customers. We spend a lot of time online on social media platforms which are easily accessible on our smartphones. When we are surfing, we come across so many ads on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram or other. These ads are mostly related to product or services that we have bought earlier or we were recently searching about it. This is basically how the businesses target their ads and content to those customers who they think are the right customers for their products and services, so that they can get better results from their marketing efforts. The second one is tracking analytics. In digital marketing, it is possible to track the online activities of customer. Let's say, for example, that you want to buy a sweater. You visit a website, scroll through the different options, spend around 20 minutes, and then finally make a purchase. Now, the business is able to track all of these activities. For example, the keywords that you typed in, the duration that you spent on the website, the pages that you visited, the products that you were looking, and whether you brought all the products that you added into your cart or a part of it. These data help them to take informed decision about how to reach their potential and existing customers so that they can have better results through their marketing efforts. Not just that, they can track analytics on their Facebook and Instagram ads, Twitter tweets, LinkedIn post, or basically anything that they post online. The third one is personalization. If you visit your YouTube app, you find certain videos that are recommended for you. These recommendations are based on your watch history, search history, and the people that you have subscribed. The recommendation that you get is unique to each and every other person. This is called personalization. A similar pattern you can notice on other platforms like Amazon, Netflix, Hulu, Spotify. Personalization is creating one-to-one experience with the customers based on their previous data, likes, and preference. So the objective here is not just to reach the target audience, but also to study them, understand them, create experience that are unique to them so that the customers feel that they are valued and continue to be the loyal customer of that business for a longer period of time. It is also predicted that personalization is going to be one of the main priorities for the digital marketers in the upcoming years. So these are the three reasons why digital marketing is gaining importance. Obviously, there are many other which I'll be talking about in the upcoming videos. My next video will be about the types of digital marketing. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any feedback, suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Till then, see ya.